Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the gardener seed pack and grow a garden. To do that, you are going to do some daily quests, daily tasks. So if you go to garden guide and go to daily quests here, right now it's easy. I don't know if it's the same for everybody, but right now I need to harvest 50 carrots, plant 2 dragon fruit seeds, and plant 1 coconut seed. So it's pretty simple for this one. I'm just going to get some carrots and plant them. I'm just going to harvest them like so. Hopefully I have enough. Okay, harvest 50 carrots. I'm just gonna sell them, to be honest. Okay, and then after that, what else? Garden guide. So completed. I need to plant 2 dragon fruit seeds and plant 1 coconut seed. So, okay, dragon fruit. I have 7, so I'm just going to squeeze this here. Hopefully I can fit one more. There we go. Then we'll need 1 coconut plant. I don't have any more space, if I'm being honest. Let's just put it here. And now I can claim my prize. Oops, so I'm just going to go to the garden guide here, and right now I can get this, and then if I want this and this and that, I have to do the daily quest tomorrow, and then I have to do it again tomorrow, and then the day after that, and stuff like that. But that's pretty much the new daily quests that we have. Let's actually see the seed pack that we got. Is it even here? I don't actually... Oh, here it is. It's the normal seed pack. Whoops. Let's see what we got. Okay, peach. That's cool. Now I have 2 peach trees. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.